like that. Yeah, there you go.
Oh shit, he's in there.
Oh, look at that!
Flipped over. He's heading back to the ocean.
Look at the eyes.
Yeah. Better put him back.
Hello.
He's gonna jump out at you.
Yeah. Break my nose.
Look at that.
I think that's all it is. Can't see far enough.
Wants to flip himself again.
Yeah, it's attached.
Look at that. That's amazing.
Okay. Yes, from a Coke?
Oh, what?
From a Coke?
No, I don't want anything, man. I just don't feel like it right now.
I mean, I'm getting
Put him
drunk
back.
Probably.
Yeah, put him back in the ocean. And then fella.
Yeah, you have to go
And
find
get
a
your
shell
picture with your baby there. Put it up closer to your face, but don't get bit. Okay.